Hi guys, welcome. This is the Perth City. So we're walking towards the Elizabeth Quay. That's where we're headed today to have some lunch. So we just parked the car and now we're just walking over to the place. Hi guys, welcome. I'm here with my mother-in-law. We're walking to Elizabeth Quay. My sister, but she doesn't want to be on camera. It's windy. This is it. Yeah, that's where she's gonna play later. She's awake. It is windy down this end. It's a windy day today, guys, but it is 30, it's supposed to be 35. So we're heading to the island for lunch. So that's the island over there. That's where we're walking to for lunch. And we'll just keep walking and we'll have to go over that bridge. As we were coming to the entrance of the bridge, we came across this sculpting sand feature which they have put up. So we've come to the entrance of the bridge and this is the Swan River. See the view. To your right over there is South Perth. Just keep walking and on the left side here is the other side of Elizabeth Quay. And you can see the ferry parked up there which you can catch to South Perth. It was so windy walking across there. It flipped my phone. And as we come out on the other side of the bridge, there's this playground which the kids can play on. It's really, and that's a boat shed. The playground's really good because they've got shade there, and we are almost at the island where we are having some lunch for the day. Welcome to the island at Elizabeth Quay. So this is a drinks and food menu. Had a quick browse at it. Table number. Ordered a milkshake for Jenica. I took a photo of Heidi Caesar salad and also her bucket of prawns. restaurants. I didn't get any of our meal because it was late. So guys, we had lunch at the island and the service was pretty crap. Sister's food came out first and then we had to ask for food. Like 30 minutes later, our food comes out and it was warm. I don't think they liked us very much. But anyway, this is the rest of the... Just we kept walking, we finally got to the BHP Bilton Water Park where Jan Jan gets to play before we head home. That's it for the day. We're heading home now before traffic hits. Till then, next time. Bye bye. Take care.